You gonna talk to Mom? Oh.
Billy, you and All-Star Catherine formed Stacey Tucci contemporary piece. Let's see how your evening went.
Talk to me.
I can't take one more step. Look at me, Catherine. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore?
So you think you can dance is a silly name?
You could talk to me. What else are you gonna say?
There's no question about that. The thing I think you've got to learn is, so you think you can partner.
I think you could be one of the most exciting things that's happened to dance in a really long time.
This is Happy Naked Baby.
However, you have to bring the element of connection to the masses.
Kick those feet. Yeah. Kick them.
Hey, flash ready.
Robert and Billy,
Okay.
after last night's vote, the first person in our bottom three is going to be revealed after the break.
That's very brave of you.
What? Naked girl.
If she pees on my bed, I'm gonna be angry.